Welcome to FW Company. FW Company was founded in São Paulo in May 23, 1997, and has performed important works of manufacturing, assembly, and industrial maintenance. The action strategy is also focused on the decentralization of operation activities, keeping their sites in an agile and dynamic organizational structure, in order to provide immediate response to constructive problems of assembly and maintenance. From 1997 on, the FW Company started to offer services with basis on the strategy of quality, safety, and productivity, complemented by mechanized systems focused in assembly and maintenance engineering and adaptable to the systems of their own customers. The FW Company is able to work in partnership with its clients by pre-agreed definition of goals, resources, and budgets, with the primary goal to continuous improvement in the satisfaction of its customers and employees. Our mission is to ensure our products and services performed are a quality growth factor in the area of construction, assembly, and industrial maintenance and environmental conservation. Add value to our customers' businesses through the provision of high-performance services, through continuous research of new technologies and new work processes. Strengthen our partnerships with customers, suppliers, and employees, and above all, have socially responsible attitude to ensure results for all. Integrated SQMS policy. The FW Company searches to be developed in a sustainable way and serving its customers and other stakeholders, following strict quality standards, health and safety, environment and social responsibility based on the following principles: compliance with the law and other applicable rules, reliability in service delivery in terms of time, efficiency, and suitability to the required standard, responsible action focused on the common good and the promotion of ethics aimed at the development and enhancement of its employees, promoting health and safety, providing a safe work environment by identifying and controlling the present risks and preserving the physical integrity of all involved. Improvement of environmental performance by applying environmental conservation practices that enable the minimization of impacts with emphasis on prevention of pollution. Environmental responsibility aiming to contribute to the preservation of natural resources of life on the planet and ensure the sustainability of its business. Continuous improvement of the effectiveness of processes and services. Social and environmental responsibility. It is the company's decision to contribute to sustainable development, working with its employees, their families, and the local community, as well as society as a whole, to improve their quality of life. With a reference to the SA 8000 and ABNT NBR ISO 6001 standards, the company FW implemented the basis of social responsibility, initially with the creation of the FW Company Code of Ethics, which have the following objectives: be a formal and institutional reference for personal and professional conduct of all employees of FW Company, regardless of position or function they have, in order to become a standard internal relationship and with its stakeholders, officials, customers, employees, unions, partners, suppliers, service providers, competitors, society, government, and the communities where it operates. Facilitating a guided, ethical behavior in values embodied by all, for being fair and appropriate. Strengthen the image of FW Company and its employees among its stakeholders. Our occupation areas are chemical and petrochemical, steelworks, paper and cellulose. Proceeding: mechanical assembly of machines, equipment and peripherals, mechanical assembly of small and medium metallic structures, assemblies of steam, water, compressed air pipes, etc. Assemblies of low, medium, high pressure hydraulic and pneumatic systems for industry, machinery and equipment. Assembly of centralized lubrication systems, oil and grease for machinery and equipment. Assemblies of industrial instrumentation systems for machinery and equipment. Study and definition of installation for pipe routing for hydraulic and pneumatic control systems, instrumentation and electrical including mounts of electrical tray, conduit, electrical ducts, etc. Flushing and pressure testing in low, medium, high pressure hydraulic and pneumatic systems, always when the installation has been carried out by us. Coordination and supervision in general assembly of mechanical machinery and equipment, hydraulic, plant systems, pneumatic, lubrication, instrumentation, and electrical signal, command and force installations. Coordination and supervision in commissioning, testing, and machinery and equipment startup. Development of plans and maintenance programs for hydraulic and pneumatic systems in industrial facilities of any kind. Services and products, management, engineering, enterprise, oversight, planning, scheduling and control, budget and cost control, negotiation and contract administration, coordination, commissioning, testing and departure, pre-assembly manufacturing, pipe, boiler, and steel structure, industrial assembly, onshore and offshore, all disciplines, industrial maintenance, with and without halting unity, all disciplines, jet and painting, hand-to-work qualified supply, direct and indirect labor. Our major suppliers are Air Products, Luitex, Mills, Nortel, Sodexo, White Martins, among other well-known Brazilian companies. Our main customers are Ripasa S.A. Celulose e Papel, Companhia Santista de Papel, Metso Brasil Industrial e Comercial Limitada, among others. The following diagram displays the structure of our organization and the relationship of one function to another. Service in progress, contractor, Montcalm Montagens Industriais, workplace, Klabin. Main executed services, PISA, Papel de Imprensa S.A., Orsa Celulose e Papel S.A., Lacta S.A., Fernandes MP2, MD, Papéis Limitada. Mannesmann, Volkswagen Audi, Companhia Ripasa S.A. Celulose e Papel. Klabin Papéis Monte Alegre, Envitec Engenharia e Comércio Limitado. Companhia Santista de Papel, Ibema, Companhia Brasileira de Papel e Gerdau. CMPC Celulose Rio-Grandense, Manufacturing and Pipe Mounting, Hydraulic, Pneumatic System and Lubrication Machine Dryer, Line 203 and Fiber Line. Eldorado Brasil, Manufacturing and Assembly of Pipe Hydraulic, Pneumatic System and Lubrication Machine Dryer, Line 1 and 2. Flexcoat, Structural Mechanical Assembly, Equipment and Peripherals, Manufacturing and Assembly of Exhaust and Ventilation Ducts, Manufacturing and Assembly of Cooling Water Pipe, Steam and Condensate, Air and Connections, Gas System, Exhaust PVC. General interconnections of hydraulic and pneumatic systems, fabrications and assemblies, general holders pipe. Suzano Imperatriz M.A., Manufacturing and Pipe Mounting of Hydraulic, Pneumatic System and Lubrication Machine Dryer, Line 102 and Fiber Line. Johnson Controls, Mounting Storage Room and Mixed Manufactured Pumps. Suzano Imperatriz M.A. performed adaptation in machines and equipment as required by the NR12 to issue attestation of compliance. Braga. Assembly of mechanical equipment and peripherals, structural, manufacturing and assembly of exhaust and ventilation ducts, manufacturing and assembly cooling water pipe, steam and condensate, air and connections, gas system, exhaust PVC. General interconnections of hydraulic and pneumatic systems, general fabrications and assemblies, pipe supports. Thank you all for your time and consideration. Further information is available upon request.